Okay, Playwright MCP. Today we'll be talking about the MCP servers, which is Model Context Protocol that provides browser automation capabilities. In our case, we'll be using Playwright MCP server. Now I see a lot of potential in the Playwright MCP server, so I thought to test it against our Selenium for automating a test case. As you can see, here's I written an article on speed and scalability, Playwright MCP versus Selenium. This article explores the possibility of executing a simple test in Claude using Playwright MCP and Selenium WebDriver version 4.35.0. Before we dive deeper into this article, let's see the architecture of MCP. So, what is an MCP? As you know, it's a Model Context Protocol. It uses host or MCP client like Claude, IDE, tools. Then it uses MCP protocol, and those protocol goes to then MCP servers. Let's say we got server A, server B, server C. Let's say this is server C is a Playwright server. So Playwright would then call the web APIs, and then it would go to the website. It would do the automation. It would execute the steps. So that's basically it. So what do we need? Claude desktop, and you can see this is a Claude desktop screenshot. We need to install the Claude desktop app, extend its capabilities with a Playwright MCP server, which will provide a secure, controlled access to local resources and tools. If you see here on the chat, this is the desktop application I've downloaded. If I go to search and tools, you will see here as Playwright, and if I click on this arrow, you can see the tools that this Playwright MCP server has given us. Upload files, fill forms, press a key, type text. Basically every command that Playwright provides are here. So we're going to see how to configure this server. Before that, you will also need Selenium WebDriver in any of your automation framework. Just add this package reference and make sure that the version is the latest version. On the settings, you need to go to developer. As you can see here, I already have Playwright running in my system. So to add this, what I did is I just click on edit config. So when you click it, it'll open this folder called Claude folder, and it'll highlight this file, which you need to open in edit mode. Here you just need to copy and paste MCP server, which I believe I've showed you here. Here is the standard config. They need to copy and paste in the .json file. Save it, close it. You need to close the app. You need to close it and then open it again. You should see Playwright in your developer tab. Here's basically the video executing that test in Claude. And here are the test results. Copy pasted from Claude logs. And here's a video for Selenium and C# execution. You'll find both this video in this article. I'm also gonna link this article for you. Just want to give you a little insight from both the test that as the test execution demonstrated that Selenium is 83.76% faster than Playwright MCP, which makes Selenium still unbeatable. I've also added a trivia for you to try yourself. Can you run, well, we all know that we can run Selenium test in headless mode, but can you do that in Claude Playwright MCP server? Please try it yourself and let me know. And here's something interesting for you. I've also given an open source test setup you can do it yourself. This is an open source website, and I've given one end-to-end test here that you can use, basically using a standard user. It basically adds a Sauce Labs Fleece jacket to the cart, and it goes to the cart and does the checkout, fills the user details, click on the continue button, now click the finish button, and reaches the order confirmation page where you will see checkout complete, thank you for your order, and your order has been dispatched. And here's a runnable Selenium script for the same test. You can simply copy and paste in your browser. If you want, we can do it right now. First one in Claude. Let's see how long it will be. Let's launch the website. Let me help close it out. Okay, it has added this fleece jacket. I should go to cart page. Okay, we're on the cart page. Should go to checkout page now. Alright, we're on the checkout page. Asking to fill basic details of the customer. Okay, let's give him the first name. Okay, John Smith. Now this is basically what we have given in the user details. Let's click on the continue button. Okay, here's the overview. You got the payment information and everything. Now you should click on finish. Okay. So the order was placed. Got the thank you page. Let's see. Right. Stop this. It was 2 minutes 34 seconds. It's the time. Now I'm going to run the same test in Selenium. This basically took 2.34, right? So we're gonna sort of Claude. Let's see about Selenium. So for Selenium, we're going to be using this script. I'm going to copy, paste here, hit save. Let me build Selenium project. Then we're going to run it through Test Explorer. Let me find that. This is going to be test 1. So Selenium first, test 1. Let me start. Let's watch and run it. Okay. Wait, gotta get rid of the. I shouldn't have. Let's try again. Turns something's not right. But it's clearly faster within seconds. What I don't understand is why the credentials enable services aren't working. Bill and setting up a different, I don't know, maybe a Gecko driver or something. Let's see. You do it. Firefox here. Okay. Then this would be Firefox options. This would be set preference. So can be set preference. Let's build. Succeeded. This doesn't seem to be working. I missed to make correction at this one place. I'm gonna try again. This time we should open Firefox. Right, there you go, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. You can clearly see the difference in speed, which is significant. Right, and that was it. Stop.